Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your physiotherapist Dr. Prachi Tyagi, and today I'm going to tell you about the types of exercises in physiotherapy, what we are using in daily life for our patients in our field one by one. So I first of all I will tell you the list of the exercises. Number 1 is isometric, isotonic, isokinetic, concentric, eccentric, active exercises and passive exercises. These are the 7 exercises what we are using in our physiotherapy. First of all I will explain one by one, not so long, only little. Number 1 is isometric. Iso means same, metric means length, only contractions on muscle. For example, while we are doing planks, wall sit, squatting, otherwise glute bridge, these are the example of isometric exercises. Second one is isotonic. Tone tension in muscles. Likewise, joint muscles length movement may change, but there is no change in the tone. Tone will be the same. For example, aerobic exercises as swimming, walking, cycling, dancing, running. These are the example of isotonic exercises. Number 3 is isokinetic. Kinetic means same speed. There is no difference on other things, only the speed is same. That means isokinetic. For example, push-ups, squats, stationary cycling. These are the example of isokinetic. Fourth one is concentric. Concentric means contraction. Likewise, you can learn the concentric word. Concentric means shortening of muscles. For example, biceps, hamstring curls, sit-ups. These are the examples of concentric exercises. After that, fifth one is eccentric. Eccentric means lengthening of muscles. For example, walking down stairs, push-ups or pull-ups. These are the example of eccentric. Sixth one is active exercise. There are different types of active exercises. First of all, I am telling the names of these exercises. First one is assisted, free, resisted exercises. Assisted, resisted exercises. These are the part of active exercises. Active exercises means these exercises which can be done by ourselves. There is no need of anyone. Assisted means where you need a help. Free means you can do every exercise like picking the pan, throwing the pan. Likewise, these are the exercises of free active exercises. Resisted exercises means you can do yourself, but you have to need some pressure. Means you have to stop that the movement and you have to do that exercise by yourself. That is resisted exercise, means you are stopping something. Assisted, resisted exercises, there is very confusion between these exercises because they are very complicated. Assisted means you are helping, resisted means you are stopping. You have to do both things for the strengthening of muscles. We have to do these exercises for the strengthening of muscles. So these are the part of active exercises. And last one is passive exercises, where you have to help the patient. That is passive exercises, means patient can't do. Likewise, hemiplegic patients, they can't do themselves, so we have to do the passive exercises. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. You can make the notes of these exercises because these are very important in our daily life while we are treating our patients. So we have in our mind that what we are going to do to our patients and what we have to do. Okay, take care, bye bye.